Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Ijaz Muhyiddin. Today's topic is undescended testes. It is a congenital condition that is by birth, and we would see how does the congenital condition occurs. Embryologically and anatomy of the testes. The testes develop in the retroperitoneum below the kidneys at the level of 10 thoracic ribs during the 7th week of fetal development. That means during birth or during the early life, the life in the womb, the testes are not present in the scrotum, they are in the retroperitoneum just below the 10th rib, thoracic ribs, below the kidneys. The testes lie at the level of internal inguinal ring at 3 months gestation and descend to the scrotum. From that place it slips down and goes to the scrotum. The final descent from the external inguinal ring to base of the scrotum takes 4 to 6 weeks and is usually complete by birth. That is, from below the kidney to the scrotum, it takes from 3 months to 9 months. Maternal chorionic gonadotrophin stimulates growth of the testes and its migration, and imperfectly developed testes tend to develop incompletely. The testicular artery develops from the abdominal aorta below the renal artery. The testicular vein drains into the renal vein on the left and into the inferior vena cava on the right. Incomplete descent of the testis occurs when the testis is arrested in some part of its normal path to the scrotum, from below the kidney to the scrotum. If it is arrested somewhere, that is undescended testis. An ectopic testis is abnormally placed outside the path of the testis to the base of the scrotum. An ectopic testis is that testis that is not placed on the path, but rather it is somewhere else. Incidence. About 4% of the boys are born with one or both testes incompletely descended. About 2/3 of these reach the scrotum by the age of 3 months. That means if it is not in place at birth, it would come down by the age of 3 months. The incidence of undescended testes is 1% by the age of 1 year. If it does not come by 3 months time, then it would come back by 1 year age. In 10% unilateral cases, there is family history. There is always a family history. Pathology, the condition is more common on the right side and is bilateral in 20% of the cases. Bilateral means both the testes are not in its place. The testes may be intra-abdominal, usually lying extraperitoneally just inside the internal inguinal ring, or number 2, intracanalicular, may or may not be palpable. Number 3, extracanalicular at the scrotal neck. And number 4, ectopic. Most common site is within superficial inguinal pouch, lying inferior and medial to superficial inguinal ring, femoral triangle or perineum. Macroscopically, the undescended testes are normal in early childhood, but by puberty, the undescended testis is smaller than its counterpart. That means it should be taken care of as early as possible. Microscopical changes occurs after 1 to 2 years. Up to 6 years, the changes include loss of Leydig cells, degeneration of the Sartori cells, decreased spermatogenesis. The higher the testis, the greater the histological changes. So it is necessary that whenever the diagnosis is done, it should be taken care of. As long as it is not in its place, it is going to damage the testis microscopically. Consequences. What are the consequences or the complications? Number one is infertility. Again, this is the cause for which the patient, if it has not he has not consulted in his childhood, then he would come for infertility. The paternity rate is 2/3 of the normal for unilateral cases and 1/3 of the normal in bilateral cases. Malignancy. The cancer of the adults after cryptorchidism in childhood is 5 to 10 times greater than normal. The most common tumor is seminoma. Hernia occurs in 90% cases. There is patent processus vaginalis. Torsion, there is more chance to develop testicular torsion. So these are the complications which may occur if not dealt. Clinical features. Retractile testis. The testis during childhood, the testes are mobile and cremasteric reflex is active. On stimulation of the skin of the scrotum or inner thigh, it causes the testes to disappear into the inguinal canal. This is called retractile testis. The retractile testis can be milked down to base of the scrotum. True undescended testis is diagnosed if this is not possible. Retractile testis require no treatment. Ultrasound is helpful in cases of intracanalicular testis. Laparoscopy is needed to differentiate between abdominal testis and absent testis. Surgical treatment. Orchidopexy. It is performed before the boy reaches the 12 months of age. The testis and the spermatic cord are mobilized and repositioned into the scrotum. Injury to the testis can be damaged either by blunt injury or penetrating injury, causing collection of blood in the tunica vaginalis. It is called hematocele. Absent testis, vanishing testis is a condition seen which is testis develop but disappear before birth, cause being prenatal torsion. That is, the blood supply is cut off and that causes the testis to disappear. Undescended testis. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bailey and Love in the 6th edition. Thank you.